As you can see in this example, the front rollers move faster than the back rollers, so the fibers are pulled and thus become thinner. Perfect drafting is where all the fibers are uniform in length and move at equal speed. The aluminium in the form of solid is melted by heating and turned into liquid form. It will then be sieved according to the spinneret size for coating purposes or formed into powder form. Microwaves are produced inside the oven by an electron tube called a magnetron. The microwaves are reflected within the metal interior of the oven where they are absorbed by food. Microwaves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, producing heat that cooks the food. Ingestion is the first activity of the digestive system, which is to take in food through the mouth. Mechanical digestion is the process of breaking large pieces of food that are ingested into smaller particles that can be acted upon by various enzymes. This begins in the mouth with chewing and continues with churning and mixing actions in the stomach. Complex molecules of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are transformed by chemical digestion into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and utilized by the cells. After ingestion, the food particles move from the mouth into the pharynx, then into the esophagus. This movement is called swallowing. The movements that propel the food particles through the digestive tract are called peristalsis. The simple molecules that result from chemical digestion pass through cell membranes of the lining in the small intestine into the blood or lymph capillaries. This process is called absorption. The food molecules that cannot be digested or absorbed need to be eliminated from the body. The removal of indigestible waste through the anus in the form of feces is defecation or elimination. This is the anatomical structure of the tongue taste bud. So this area over here is where the tongue tastes bitterness. And the front part here is where the tongue tastes sweetness. And then we have this area here. This is where saltiness is tasted by the tongue. And this area here tastes sour, right?